After what seems like a very long and cold winter, evidenced by the fact that it's 33 degrees today and muggy outside, that doesn't matter anymore. Today, we are going to pick up the base camp. And it's snowing. Picked up the trailer last night, parked it, and it immediately started snowing. Per the Weather Channel, we got over 2 inches because we had 80 degrees the night or the day before. We don't really know how much snow we got, but there's white stuff all over the ground. So today we are going to de-winterize the camper, clean out the camper, and get it ready because in 2 weeks, we are going to drive to go pick up our brand new camper. Right now, we're going to go through the base camp and take out anything that is going to go into the new camper that we won't need from now until then, and we're going to clean it up and get it ready to be traded in.
First try. Okay.
As we were cleaning up the base camp, we noticed some cracking along the sidewall of the tire. It's my understanding that Airstream recommends replacing your trailer tires every 4 years, and the manufacturer recommends replacing it every 5 years. Today, I'm going to take it to Discount Tire to replace the tires before we trade it in for the new camper. After cleaning out and cleaning up the base camp, we put it in storage until it was time to head east to Kansas. We stopped at the KOA in Salina, which is one of our favorite stopovers because of its close proximity to the interstate, as well as a huge dog park for the dogs to burn off some energy.
Hello.
This was a quick stopover and a bittersweet moment for us, as it was the last night we would spend in the base camp. The next morning, we woke up early and drove 6 more hours to our final destination. The base camp was a great first camper, and it served us well over the last 5 years. We traveled to many places and experienced many adventures in it. We wish the same for its new owners.